early Sunday morning. Over the radio it says, "All citizens, turn out your lights." This was December the 7th, 1941. Actually, it was 2 hours after they bombed us that they declared war. So it's a little bit like getting socked by the guy you're talking to without giving you a warning.
They couldn't believe that Japan would do that to us, and so there was a tremendous feeling of patriotism and anxiety, I guess, too, but willingness to serve.
Now, we didn't really know where Pearl Harbor was, but what we did know was that our country had been attacked.
Well, immediately us young people felt we should go to war, should go volunteer, and I did.